Guest of honor, Dr. Bree Srinivas Sir, Secretary, National Medical Commission, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Dean Principal and CMS, Jawaharlal Nehru Medical College, Professor Veena Maheshwari Ma'am, Principal Dr. Ziauddin Ahmed Dental College, Professor R.K. Tiwari Sir, esteemed guests, parents and dear students. Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. On behalf of the Medical Education Unit, JNMC, I, Dr. Bushra Siddiqui, along with Dr. Ruhi Khan, extend a warm and genial welcome to all of you to the white coat ceremony of the newly admitted MBBS batch of 2024. Enthusiasm is excitement with inspiration and motivation. I can sense a lot of enthusiasm in the house, and we are here to share your excitement and energy. Dear guests, true prayer is a way of life. So to attain inner strength and peace, I would request Member Medical Education Unit, Dr. Mohammad Imran, to please come forward and recite some verses from the Holy Quran.
Assalamu alaikum and good morning everyone. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب المشرقين ورب المغربين فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان مرج البحرين يلتقيان بينهما برزخ لا يبغيان فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان صدق الله العظيم.
Thank you, Dr. Imran, for the sublime verses. Ladies and gentlemen, this event today is unique in its very own spirit, considering the fact that not only the students, but we have their proud parents too amongst us, with ardent blessings and best wishes for their young ones. But dear students, remember, you are not just embarking upon any other profession. Rather, you are entering into what undoubtedly is the noblest of all professions. And while you were dreaming of donning this white coat, your parents were too bearing down for your bright and successful future. Dear guests, the white coat ceremony is a rite of passage welcoming the new cohort of medical students into the medical profession. This innovative event is the result of a vision by Dr. Arnold P. Gold, who in 1993 instituted the first white coat ceremony at the Columbia University College of Physicians and Surgeons in New York. And today, we are following the same incredible and exciting ritual.
Good morning, everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, as they say, coming together is a beginning, keeping together is progress, and working together is success. And this white coat ceremony symbolizes a new opportunity for us to work together and uplift the future of medical community. So without much ado, let me begin the ceremony by inviting on stage senior faculty members of JN Medical College who will help the students in donning their first white coats, and I would request the students to briefly introduce themselves while getting down the dais. Dear guests, please welcome with applause the following senior faculty members. Professor Mohammad Habib Raza from the Department of Surgery, Professor Mohammad Khalid from the Department of Radio Diagnosis, Professor Najam Khalid from the Department of Community Medicine, Professor Saidul Hassan Arif from Department of Pathology, Professor A.K. Amitava from the Department of Ophthalmology, Professor Pradyuman Verma from Department of Oral Medicine, Professor Amjad Rizvi from the Department of Surgery, Professor Sandhya Maheshwari from the Department of Orthodontics, Professor Geeta Rajput from the Department of Prosthodontics, Professor Zehra Mohsen from the Department of Obstetrics and Gynecology, and Professor Rubina Khan from the Department of Pathology. I would now request the members of Medical Education Unit to please direct the students on stage.
Assalamualaikum. Morning everyone. Myself Muhammad Aris and I come from Sakri district, which is in Maharashtra. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Varisha. I am from Dehradun, Uttarakhand.
Assalamualaikum. Myself Abdul Fahad from Nagpur.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Mohammad Faraz. I am from Aligarh.
Good morning everyone. My name is Simraj Web and I am from Muradabad. Good morning everyone. My name is Kaifan Malik. I am from Muradabad. Good morning and namaste everyone. My name is Payatullah and I am from Bihar. Good morning and assalamu alaikum to everyone. I am Ali Muhammad and I am from Darbhanga, Bihar.
जैसे अभी बनाए किसी भी
लोग वापस आ गए, वापस आके बैठते जाओ बच्चों, जिस ऑर्डर में
Good morning everyone. My name is Afra Verma. I am from Ambedkar.
Good morning everyone. My name is Malvi Gupta and I am from Aligarh.
Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Mohammad Majid. I am from Uttarakhand.
Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Ghulam Dushan Rasool. I am from Bihar.
Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Muhammad Khan and I am from Saharanpur, Uttar Pradesh. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Masroor Hussain from Katihar, Bihar.
Good morning everyone. My name is Navneet Kumar. I am from Aligarh.
Good morning everyone. My name is Muskan Chaudhary. I am from Hazrat. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Shalini Chauhan. I am from Minpur. Assalamu alaikum and good morning everyone. I am Samreen Fatma and I am from Mount.
I request Professor Qazi Ehsan Ali sir from Department of Anesthesiology to please come on stage.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Sumit Ali and I am from Kanpur.
Assalamualaikum everyone. Myself Sanasleen from Noida.
Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Mohammad Ram and I belong to Mauna.
Good morning everyone. My name is Prem Sagar and I am from Aligarh.
Good morning everyone. Myself Muhammad Riyan Tariq. I am from Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh.
Good morning everyone. I am Muhammad Akmal Sami. I am from Kannauj.
Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Ali Munir Abbas and I am from Darbhanga, Bihar.
Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Muhammad Sohan. I am from Amroha.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Ashir and I am from Itawa, UP.
My name is Swati Singh and I am from Delhi, Noida.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Shifa Fatima and I am from Muradabad.
Good morning everyone. My name is Muskan Kamar and I am from Aligarh.
Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Muhammad Shah. I am from
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Bilal Ansari, son of Mr. Muhammad Kalamuddin. I am from Ziahi, Madhubani, Bihar.
Assalamualaikum everyone. I am MD Abu Nasser from Patiala, Bihar.
Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Imam Sadiq. I am from district Radia, Bihar.
Hello.
I'm Ahmed Rathi, I'm from India.
Good morning everyone, myself Nanishika. I am from Saskia. Assalamu alaikum everyone, I am Sayyid Mohammad Mazid from Aligarh.
Good morning everyone, my name is Paradeepa and I belong to Tarhat, Bihar.
किसी को छोड़ो कि जिसको बता देना.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Arshad. Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. My name is Rizal Khan and I am from Azamgarh, UP.
Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. I am Alia Hussain and I am from the Ganga Bihar. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum.
This is a light batch, no?
Good morning everyone. My name is Yakshana Sharma and I am from Aligarh. Good morning everyone. My name is Nikhil Bansal and I am from Aligarh. Assalamualaikum. This is Satya Nizam from Bihar. Assalamualaikum. This is Nizam Khan from Basti. Assalamualaikum. Myself from Green Johar and from Hong.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am, for doing the honors. Dear students, as you wear this white coat, remember what you have signed for is unique and daunting. The commitment is more than emotional, but in the end, it will all be worth it. So wear your coats with pride and dignity and a promise that you will become clinicians with reasoning, not just doctors with degrees. Ladies and gentlemen, may I now request the following senior faculty members to grace the stage and bless the next group of students. Beginning with Professor Muhammad Habib Raza, sir, from Department of Surgery. Professor Anjum Parvez, sir, from Department of Medicine. Professor Afzal Anis, sir, from Department of Surgery. Please give a round of applause for our professors. Professor Athar Ansari, sir, from Department of Community Medicine. Professor Hassan Haris, sir, from Department of Surgery. Professor Ziaur Rahman, sir, from Department of Pharmacology. Professor Shaheen from Department of Obstetrics and Gynecology. Professor Nishat Afroz from Department of Pathology. Professor Uzma Iram from Department of Community Medicine. Please send the first group of students. Nishat ma'am is coming.
Assalamualaikum everyone. Myself MD Muzaffarpur Bihar.
Good morning everyone. I'm Abdul Muslim. I'm from Munger, Bihar. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Rishabh Sharma and I am from Jalandhar. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Mohammad Munish from Amroha, Uttar Pradesh.
Assalamualaikum everyone. I am Sumayya Ilyas from Aligarh.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Fazal Ahmed. I belong to Bihar and born and brought in Delhi. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Afiq Aslam and I am from Manipur. Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. Myself Afiq and I am from Manipur. Good morning everyone. Myself Afiq and I am from Delhi. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Myself Alina Sharif Khan and I am from Ambikapur, Chhattisgarh.
I am Mohammad Agadaram from Pune, Bihar.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Ghalib. I am from Bihar.
Assalamualaikum everyone. I am Sai Akhtar from Bihar.
Assalamualaikum. I am Sujat Khan from Tapan, Aligarh.
Good morning everyone. I am Haruna Chalna from Aligarh.
My name is Alia Ayub and I am from Aligarh.
Assalamu alaikum and a very warm morning to all present here. My name is Anika Urman Rahi and I hail from the Karimganj district of Assam.
Assalamu alaikum and good morning everyone. My name is Abdul Khan and I am from Aligarh.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Shahid Ahmed Khan and I am from Basti, UP.
Good morning everyone. My name is Shahid Khan and I am from Aligarh.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Mohammad Rasul and I am from Bareilly.
Good morning everyone, myself Mohammad Ikram from Muradabad.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Muhammad Akhtar. I am from Shamli, UP.
Good morning everyone. My name is Faya Khan and I am from
Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Sujat Sultan from Aligarh. Good morning everyone. I am Nadia Beg from Aligarh.
Good morning. My name is Shifa Shamim and I am from Fatehpur.
Assalamualaikum. I am Khalida Zinat. I am from Madhubani, Bihar.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Fawza Furqan and I am from Lucknow, UP.
Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Mohammad Noor Hussain and I am from Ranchi, Jharkhand.
Assalamualaikum and good morning to all of you. My name is Bashar Raj and I am from Aligarh. My name is Arnav and I am from Rohtak, Haryana.
Good morning everyone. I am Hassan from Itawa.
I am Mohammad Akhtar Raza. I am from Bareilly.
Assalamu alaikum and good morning everyone. I am Arifa Kabir from Aligarh.
Good morning everyone. I am Shavi Parveen from Ranchi, Jharkhand.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Kanra Ihsan and I am from Aligarh. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Saliha Hussain and I am from Aligarh.
Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to everyone. I am Malika Islam from Kanpur. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Firooz Ahmad. I am from Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh.
Assalamualaikum. Myself Soeb Khan from Badaयूं, UP. Assalamualaikum. I am Arham Ahmed from Aligarh.
Assalamualaikum, I am Akan Ahmed from Nagpur, UP.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Abdul Qadir and I am from Aligarh.
Assalamu alaikum and good morning to everyone. My name is Mariam Fatma and I am from Kanpur.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Zoya Safila Usmani. I am from Mumbai, Maharashtra.
Assalamu alaikum and good morning everyone. My name is Mariam Ahmed and I am from Aligarh, UP.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Fawza Shaheen and I am from Srinagar, Jammu.
Thank you, all of you. May I now have the honor of inviting the following senior teachers to help the next group of students in donning their first white coats. Professor Mohammad Aslam from the Department of Physiology. Professor Mohammad Aftab from Department of ENT, Professor Kamran Afzal from the Department of Pediatrics, Professor Najmul Islam from the Department of Biochemistry, Professor Abdul Qayyum from the Department of Orthopedics, Professor Mehboob Hassan from the Department of Pathology, Professor Mohammad Akram from the Department of Radiation Oncology, Professor Sadia Saeed from the Department of Biochemistry, from the Department of Forensic Medicine, Professor Nazish Fatma from the Department of Microbiology, Professor Farah Ghaus from the Department of Anatomy. Professor Amir bin Sabir sir from the Department of Orthopedics. Professor Sadia Saeed ma'am from the Department of Forensic Medicine. Professor Sandhya Maheshwari ma'am from the Department of Orthodontics.
जगह शुरू करो लास्ट जाना है तुम्हें सुनो
Good morning everyone. I am Sudhir Kumar from Aligarh.
एक बच्चा पढ़ा
Good morning everyone. I am Vakshit Sharma from Aligarh.
Good morning everyone. I am Anush Saraswat from Aligarh.
Good morning everyone. I am Harshit Bandawat and from Aligarh. Assalamualaikum. Myself Mohammad Yusuf Ansari from Gorakhpur.
Myself Mohammad Abdullah from Makkah. Assalamualaikum. I am Mohammad Aslam, son of Mohammad Ibrahim from Ghana.
अच्छा और उसका जो एनाटॉमी वाला है
Assalamualaikum, a very good morning to all of you. I am Mariam Shakir from New Delhi.
Good morning everyone. My name is Yashpal Yadav and I am from Aligarh. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Keshav Asne and I am from Aligarh.
Assalamualaikum. I am Mohammad Ahmed from Jodhpur, UP. Assalamualaikum everyone. I am Mohammad Hassan from Rajasthan.
Assalamualaikum. I am Aslam Ali from Rampur.
Assalamualaikum. Myself Irfan Ansari from Chittorgarh district, Rajasthan.
Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Mohammad and I am from Rajasthan.
Assalamualaikum everyone. Myself Mohammad Ahmad from Bareilly.
Morning everyone. My name is Aman Sadiq from Saharanpur.
Assalamualaikum. Myself Shahbaz Khan from Mewat, Haryana.
Good morning everyone. Myself Shahrukh Khan from Alwar, Rajasthan.
Assalamualaikum everyone. I am Ejaz Ahmed. I am from Gorakhpur.
So good morning to everyone. I am Mohammad Ali Hassan from Aradia, Bihar.
Assalamu alaikum and good morning to all. This is Faisal Saleh from Kishanganj, Bihar.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Bilal Ahmad and I am from Bhutan.
Assalamu alaikum, myself Mohammad Rehan from Rampur district.
Assalamu alaikum. Myself Moin Ali Khan from North.
Good morning everyone. I am Raja Kumar from Sukhon, Bihar.
And I'm from Asif.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. Myself Abdullah Khan from Basti, Uttar Pradesh.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Mohammad Abdullah. I am from Bihar.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Abdullah Khan from Gorakhpur.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Shahid Iqbal and I am from West Bengal, Bihar.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Mehboob Hussain and I am from Siwan, Bihar.
Assalamu alaikum and good morning everyone. I am Faizan Akhtar and I am from Garhwa, Jharkhand.
Hello, assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Salman Malik. I am from Giridih, Jharkhand. Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Kaif Ahmed from Gorakhpur.
Assalamu alaikum. Myself Mohammad Abdullah and I am from Lucknow.
Good morning everyone. And I am from Harvard.
Assalamu alaikum. Siddiqui.
Assalamu alaikum to everyone. My name is MJ Tawfiq Umar. I am from Jharkhand.
Madhani Sanskar, Gorakhpur.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मेरा नाम उज़ैर हबीब और मैं बुलंदशहर से आता हूँ।
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Now we'll felicitate the BDS students, and for that, please welcome with applause the following faculty members. Professor Salahuddin Ansari, sir, from Department of Anatomy. Professor Afzal Haroon from Department of Forensic Medicine. Professor Muhammad Wasif Ali from Department of Surgery. Dr. Fahad Khurram from Department of Plastic Surgery. Dr. Sajjad Abdul Rahman from Department of Oral and Maxillofacial Surgery. Professor Mehtab Ahmed from Department of Radiodiagnosis. Dr. Muhammad Riazuddin from Department of Psychiatry. Professor Fatima Khan from Department of Microbiology. Professor Neha Agarwal from Department of Periodontia and Community Dentistry. Professor Saima Yunus Khan from Department of Pediatric and Preventive Dentistry.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Sumaya Bharat and I am from Gorakhpur. Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. I am Alisha Naseem and I am from Aligarh itself.
Good morning everyone. I am Tuba Athar, daughter of Athar Ali Ansari from Allahabad.
Assalamualaikum everyone. Myself Roma, daughter of Muhammad Asim from Azamgarh.
Everyone, my name is Neha Parveen and I am from Gorakhpur.
Good
morning everyone. My name is Laiba Naseem. I am from Meerut, UP.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Faiza Noman and I am from Aligarh itself. Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Bisma Saeed and I am from Aligarh. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum everybody. My name is Atiya Shadab and I am from Aligarh.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Muhammad Sharjeel from Mau, UP.
Good morning. My name is Sara Malik and I am from Aligarh.
Good morning everyone. I am Filza Khan from Aligarh. Good morning everyone. My Malik, daughter of Muhammad Arif, and I am from Bareilly, Uttar Pradesh. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. This is Prithvi and I am from Atroli, Uttar Pradesh.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Aisha Muhammad Nafis and I am from Kanpur.
Thank you. Dear students, I know you all are brimming with enthusiasm and energy by donning this prestigious and powerful white coat. But you must always remember that with great power comes great responsibility. Just academic excellence is not enough. There are certain virtues which you have to promise as future doctors, like honesty and integrity, compassion and empathy, putting the interest of your patients before your own self, and full dedication towards your profession. These promises will be strengthened by the Hippocratic Oath, which you will be taking as young medical students. The senior faculty member who will be carrying out the oath-taking ceremony has proven her excellence both as an expert pathologist as well as a dynamic teacher with more than 3 decades of teaching experience. Not only this, she has shown her equally good administrative skills during her tenure as the Dean Jain Medical College. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome on stage Professor Veena Maheshwari ma'am from the Department of Pathology and currently the Dean Jain Medical College for the Hippocratic Oath.
So very good morning to all of you. Now I welcome to this profession of caring. Hippocrates, as you all know, is considered to be the father of modern medicine. He wrote over 70 books in which he has described in a scientific manner many diseases and their treatment after detailed observation. It is believed that he lived about 2,400 years ago. He was born in the island of Kos, Greece, and died at the outskirts of Larissa at the age of 104. Hippocrates saved Athens from a plague epidemic, and for that he was highly honored by the Athenians. Some of his important writings include "Make a habit of 2 things, to help or at least to do no harm." In the wounds, there are many miasma or germs causing disease if entered into the body. He also suggested little exercise and walk and do not eat to saturation. Hippocratic Oath, as an important step in becoming a doctor, medical students must take this Hippocratic Oath. The original Hippocratic Oath is one of the most widely known of the Greek medical texts. It requires a new physician to swear upon a number of healing gods that he will uphold a number of professional ethical standards. The oath of Hippocrates of Kos in the 5th century BC was, "I swear by Apollo the physician, by Aesculapius, Hygeia and Panacea, and I take to witness all the gods, all the goddesses, to keep according to my ability and judgment the following oath," which has been modified in the Declaration of Geneva of the World Medical Association. It was adopted in 1948 and after subsequent changes recently in 2017. Now, I ask all the students to please stand up and take this oath along with me. You can put your hands forward and take this oath. I solemnly pledge to dedicate my life to the service of humanity. The health and well-being of my patient will be my first consideration. I will respect the autonomy and dignity of my patient. I will maintain the utmost respect for human life. I will not permit considerations of age, disease or disability, creed and ethnic origin, gender, nationality, political affiliation, race, sexual orientation, social standing, or any other factor to intervene between my duty and my patient. I will respect the secrets that are confided in me even after the death of the patient. I will practice my profession with conscience and dignity and in accordance with good medical practice. I will foster the honor and noble traditions of the medical profession. I will give to my teachers, colleagues, and students the respect and gratitude that is their due. I will share my medical knowledge for the benefit of the patient and the advancement of healthcare. I will attend to my own health, well-being, and abilities in order to provide care of the highest standard. I will not use my medical knowledge to violate human rights and civil liberties, even under threat. I make these promises solemnly, freely, and upon my honor. Wish you all good luck and a very bright future in this medical college. Thank you very much.
Wonderful presentation. Ladies and gentlemen, before inviting the dignitaries on stage, I would request respected Dean Ma'am, Principal Dental College and Coordinator Medical Education Unit to kindly present white coats to our Chief Guest Honorable Vice Chancellor Professor Naima Khatun Ma'am and our Guest of Honor Professor B. Srinivas Sir. Please give a round of applause. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. I would now request the Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Naima Khatun, ma'am, Professor B. Srinivas, sir, Dean Principal and CMS, Professor Veena Maheshwari, ma'am, Principal Dental College, Professor R.K. Tiwari, sir, Coordinator Medical Education Unit, Professor Seema Hakim, ma'am, to kindly grace the stage. Please give a round of applause for our dignitaries on the dais. It's a matter of pride to welcome luminaries of such great stature and repute. Flowers always make people better and happier. They are sunshine, food, and medicine for the soul. With this quote, ladies and gentlemen, I would request Professor Seema Hakim, ma'am, Coordinator, Medical Education Unit, to present a bouquet of flowers to our Chief Guest, Honorable Vice Chancellor of Aligarh Muslim University, Professor Naima Khatun, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Now I would request Member Medical Education Unit, Professor Tamkeen Rabbani, ma'am, to present flowers to our Guest of Honor, Professor B. Srinivas, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Dear guests, we are fortunate enough to have a visionary amongst us to navigate us through the ups and downs of the medical profession. The respected principal, Ziauddin Ahmed Dental College, Professor R.K. Tiwari, sir, has always been a pillar of strength for all of us. I request, sir, to say a few words of wisdom for our students.
Honorable Vice Chancellor, Aligarh Muslim University, Professor Naima Khatun, respected Dean, Faculty of Medicine, and Medical Superintendent, Jawaharlal Nehru Medical College, Professor Veena Maheshwari, Guest Honor, Secretary of National Medical Commission, New Delhi, Professor B. Srinivas, Professor Seema Hakim, Coordinator and Medical Education Unit, faculty members, parents of the selected MBBS and BD student, ladies and gentlemen, very good morning to one and all. On the very onset, I congratulate the parents whose wards got admission in prestigious Jawaharlal Nehru Medical College and Dr. Ziauddin Ahmed Dental College of renowned Aligarh University. The admitted students deserve a special mention for their hard work and commitment towards their studies. I hope that with this, the student will continue their commitment to the selfless services towards the profession. The white apron you wear is symbol of purity, means you have to give your service to the patients without any discrimination. The dental college is improving day by day. This year, Dr. Ziauddin Dental College ranked 18 among 23 dental colleges in India. Last year, it ranked 31. BDS is a purely skill-based training program, and a skilled person is not dependent upon any government and private organization for job. If you learn a skill by heart during your course of study, you will not only independent, but you can also become an employer, and I assure you will be in a better position than any other counter profession. With this, I once again congratulate you all for grand success. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your kind and inspiring words. Success isn't just about what you accomplish in your life. It's about what you inspire others to do. Dean, Principal and CMS, JNMC, Professor Veena Maheshwari ma'am is one such inspirational figure, an expert pathologist and a dynamic teacher with an equally good record as an administrator. And I request ma'am to kindly address the gathering with her precious words. Professor Veena Maheshwari.
Honorable Vice Chancellor ma'am of the Aligarh Muslim University, Professor Naima Khatun, our guest of honor, Professor B. Srinivas, Secretary, National Medical Commission, Director General, Medical Education, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Principal ZD Dental College, Professor R.K. Tiwari, other dignitaries, faculty members, proud parents, and our special guests of the day, the newly admitted students of MBBS and BDS batch of 2024. A very good morning and Assalamu alaikum to all of you. It's a delightful moment for me to extend a warm welcome to everyone to this year's White Coat ceremony. It's the day every aspiring medical and dental student dreams of, right from the day they start preparing for their competitive exams. This dream is also shared by the parents with lots of prayers and best wishes, and I can see the happiness and pride on the faces of the elated parents. Today is a great day for all of us, as we are fortunate to have our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Naima Khatun, as the chief guest and Professor B. Srinivas as the guest of honor for the White Coat ceremony. I thank both of you for taking out your precious time from your busy schedules to bless the budding doctors with your gracious presence. Both of you are great inspiration for the young students, and I'm sure they will always remember that such great personalities bless them on their first day in college. Patience, persistence, and perspiration make an unbeatable combination for success. It's because of your hard work and determination that you got admission in one of the country's top medical colleges, that is Jawaharlal Nehru Medical College, and in the NRF ranking also, it is number 27. And now it's your utmost duty to carry forward the legacy of this great institution and keep up with your hard work and dedication. Today marks a significant milestone in your journey to become physicians. The white coat you don is not more than just a piece of fabric. It's a symbol of trust, responsibility, purity, and service. It represents the deep and abiding connection between you and your future patients. It's a pledge to uphold the values of compassion, integrity, and lifelong learning, and demands a lot of dedication and honesty, along with a high standard of skills, communication, and professionalism. As a teacher, I can advise you to always respect your teachers, the paramedical staff, and the support staff, and most importantly, be empathetic towards your patients. This is the point which I again and again emphasize. You have to be empathetic to your patients. Listen carefully to whatever problems they have, and don't get annoyed or angry with them if they repeat the same thing again and again. This point you have to carry home, that you have to be empathetic with your patients. You learn something from each other, and every individual of this college always follow the medical ethics and always remember the Hippocratic oath you just took today. And as the Dean and Principal, I can assure you that we have excellent, well-qualified and student-friendly faculty, modern infrastructure and student support systems for you at JNMC. There are facilities in the university for all the co-curricular activities where you can take out time and relax, pursue your hobbies, etc. There are opportunities for academics as well as all the extracurricular activities. I'll conclude by saying that this journey will not be easy. There will be long hours, moments of self-doubt and times when the challenges seem unsurmountable. But remember this, you are not alone. You have your peers, your mentors and a whole community of individuals committed to your success. Most importantly, you have the values that brought you here today. Your compassion, your dedication and your unwavering commitment to making a difference. As you take this first step today, I ask you to remember why you chose this path. The road ahead may be long, but the impact you will have on the lives of others will be profound. You are the future of healthcare and I have every confidence that you will rise to meet the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead. Thank you very much. Congratulations once again to the proud parents who are sitting here and all the best to the students for a bright future. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am, for those wonderful words. So we move ahead. As they say, some people dream of success, while others get up every morning and make it happen. The coordinator of Medical Education Unit, Professor Seema Hakim, is a person we all look up to for inspiration. She is a stalwart in medical education, an excellent gynecologist with decades of teaching experience. We all are testimony to her sheer hard work and dedication. I request you, ma'am, to please say a few words of motivation for our students.
Thank you, Rohi, for those kind words. Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Naima Khatun, Chief Guest, Professor B. Srinivas, with Secretary, National Medical Commission, Dean, Principal and CMS, Faculty of Medicine and Jawaharlal Nehru Medical College, Professor Veena Maheshwari, Principal ZADC, Professor R.K. Tiwari, Senior Faculty Member and even juniors who are here, students, MBBS and BDS batch of 2024 and their proud parents. A very good morning to all of you. Today, as you don your white coat, remember the words of Hippocrates for life. Wherever the art of medicine is loved, there is also a love of humanity. Congratulations to each of you on reaching this remarkable milestone. Your journey into medicine begins today, and with it comes a lifelong commitment to healing and service. The medical profession is unique as it has no retirement. Once you step into this field, you remain a medical profession for life, becoming an invaluable asset to the society. India proudly stands as the largest producer of doctors with the highest number of medical colleges. Jawaharlal Nehru Medical College, as our Dean has already mentioned, where you are now beginning your study, is equipped with the resources and faculty to help you navigate the challenges ahead, sharpen your clinical acumen and excel in your career. As you embrace the challenges of medical education, remember that you are not just students, you are the future of healthcare. Your dedication will shape lives and communities for years to come. In the word of Mahatma Gandhi, the best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. Welcome to this noble profession, and may your journey be filled with knowledge, compassion, and purpose. I would like to part with the words of Robert Frost. The woods are lovely, dark, and deep, but I have promises to keep, and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for the kind address. Moving ahead, over the past few years, the teachers of JNMC have worked upon a ready-for-reference handbook for the students, which has all the useful information about the college, timetable for lectures and examination, various programs planned for them, along with co-curricular and leisure activities to unwind them from their busy academic schedule. I would now request Member Medical Education Unit, Dr. Sufia Naseem, to kindly come on stage for the unveiling of this year's Students' Handbook by the dignitaries. Thank you so much. No great achiever, even those who made it seem easy, ever succeeded without hard work. Our guest of honor, Professor B. Srinivas, is a person we all can look up to for inspiration. He is a stalwart in medical education with an exhaustive and excellent CV. Professor Srinivas is currently serving as Secretary, National Medical Commission, New Delhi, Director General Medical Education, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Sir is also Director, National Medical Library, New Delhi, and Member Secretary for Medical and Dental Counseling. He is also a core member for National Testing Agency for NEET UG and member of many reputed committees. I feel immense pleasure, sir, in inviting you for your kind address. Professor B. Srinivas.
Good afternoon, all students, young students, the faculty members, dignitaries on the dais, Vice Chancellor ma'am, the Dean from the medical side and from the dental side and from the medical education unit. It gives me great pleasure today. I'm coming for the second time here, and this is an occasion which I always like to come here because this reminds me of my own medical as a student. Around 25 to 30 years back when I was a student in Maulana Azad Medical College, and it was a proud moment for me at that time when I was becoming clinical doctor. So this white coat ceremony comes with a lot of responsibilities as well. इसके साथ हमें जो white coat मिलता है तो इसके साथ हमें एक responsibility भी मिलती है कि हम इस profession को कैसे maintain करें, अपने ethics maintain करें. And as the Secretary of the National Medical Commission, we are the largest regulator for the country, and as ma'am said, we have the largest number of medical colleges in the world right now. And even only last year we had started 60 medical colleges in the country, including 13 from Uttar Pradesh. So we have 13 new medical colleges here, and we tend to increase, we are likely to increase more medical seats. I know it was a very tough battle for you this time coming through the NEET examination, and NTA last year we had a lot of issues, and approximately 25 lakh students sat for the exam for approximately 1 lakh seats. So it's a wonderful achievement for the students who come through. So wide applause for all of you who have made it through. Even though this was a tough year, but we know that only through tough times and tough challenges we become strong. And this medical profession, when you enter, I think you should make it very clear to you that it's a tough, long journey that is ahead. This is the first step that is going to go through. and you have to have, most of you will do PG and maybe super specialization as well, because just nowadays, of course, MBBS by itself is a very good profession and very noble profession, which came through in the COVID times as well. And when all the professions across the world were closed, we were the only one who were going ahead, and we were treating the patients. So it's a wonderful profession with comes a lot of responsibilities as well. And you're lucky to have good faculty here, very good teachers here. That is why when I was in charge of counseling, Aligarh Muslim University and this medical college has been one of the forefronts in the toppers, and to have to made it through, it's a big achievement from all of you. After this, I would like to tell you again that profession of medicine is different from other professions because it involves a lot of sacrifice. आपको बहुत sacrifice करना पड़ेगा in terms of duties. I remember when we were doing JRship and senior residency, we used to stay there in the wards and casualty even 24 hours, 48 hours. Of course, it is very inhuman sometimes we feel, but we are making certain rules, regulations in NMC where the mental stress of the patients and of course the doctors are also being looked into, and we are trying to restrict the number of hours that you have to perform. But at the same time, we have to see that the quality of our medical education and the quality of healthcare doesn't come down. So it is a balance that has to take place. And of course, you are the future of the country as far as the healthcare is concerned. And our teachers are there, and we are there to guide you. And from the National Medical Commission, if any help is required, I can assure you that we will be there to help you. And please come forward to write to us if you have any suggestions and advice there. So with this, I would like to thank you, AMU, for calling me as a guest of honor. And I wish all the students and the proud parents a future which is full of life and full of health in the life. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir, for those kind words. I would now request Professor Seema Hakim ma'am to felicitate Dr. B. Srinivas sir with a memento. Ladies and gentlemen, we are fortunate to have with us today a teacher par excellence, a strict administrator, but an equally humble and down-to-earth person whose actions speak louder than her words. Under her able leadership, the Aligarh Muslim University is touching the zenith, and we all are so proud of it. Yes, I am talking about none other than the Honorable Vice Chancellor of Aligarh Muslim University, Professor Naima Khatun ma'am, who created history by being the first female Vice Chancellor of AMU in over 100 years. Summing up her achievements, I would say it's women like her who paved the way for women like us. Thank you so much, ma'am, and I would request you to kindly give your valuable address.
Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. Professor Srinivas sir, Secretary NMC, then the Dean, Faculty of Medicine, Professor Veena Maheshwari, Professor Seema Hakim and Professor Tiwari, and of course the faculty members of Jain Medical College and the proud parents of the 2024 batch of MBBS and BDS, and the very dear students of first year MBBS and BDS. Ladies and gentlemen, it is indeed a very proud moment for me to be here. And as it is said, many things are told about this white coat. I also feel more confident wearing this coat, though I am only the non-medico wearing this coat today. But this sport itself has its significance. That itself gives you the strength, the confidence, and the feeling of the noble profession that you have adopted. Remember, dear students, that you are the batch of MBBS and BDS. You know, you have qualified this test when thousands and thousands of students appeared for this, rather in lakhs of students appeared for this, and you are the few chosen ones that you qualified this. That means how intelligent, how brilliant, and the IQ level of yours is too high. That is why you are here today. I must congratulate each one of you today on this occasion, which is a great milestone in your career. That is the white coat ceremony. When the moment you wear it, that means you are in a different world, because your responsibilities starts today. You had your sacrifices. Your parents had their sacrifices in bringing you people to this day. But your responsibility, your career starts from today. You have many challenges ahead that you are going to face. But at the same time, all challenges have its fruits for you. So, dear students, it's a great day for you, and I am sure that you will come out of the expectation of your parents who have made all sacrifices for you. आप लोगों ने जो इतनी sacrifices आपके बच्चों के लिए किया है, मैं आप सब लोगों को दिल से मुबारकबाद देती हूँ। ये इम्तिहान सिर्फ आपके बच्चों के लिए नहीं था, मुझे मालूम है ये इम्तिहान आप सब के लिए भी था, जो आप लोगों ने ख़ास तौर पे जो मदर्स हैं रात के 2 बजे 3 बजे उठ के चाय पिलाई होगी अपने बच्चों को। आप लोगों ने भी, जब इन लोगों ने अपनी तैयारी की होगी, आप लोगों ने भी अपने अपने रात में पूरी रात इनके पीछे लगे होंगे, तभी आपको ये रिज़ल्ट मिला है और आपके बच्चे आज ये दिन आपको दिखाया, और आपके दुआएं और आपकी मेहनत और आपकी सैक्रिफाइसेस आज काम आपके सामने है और आपके बच्चे इस मुकाम पे हैं। दुआ कीजिए आगे भी, ये इनकी शुरुआत है, दुआ कीजिए भी ये आगे चल के आप सब लोगों का नाम रोशन करें, जवाहरलाल नेहरू मेडिकल कॉलेज का नाम रोशन करें, अलीगढ़ मुस्लिम यूनिवर्सिटी का नाम रोशन करें। ये मेरी दुआ है आप सब स्टूडेंट्स के लिए। और कुछ बातें हैं जो आप ज़रूर याद रखिएगा, आपकी प्रिंसिपल डीन मैडम ने और आपके सारे आपके जो टीचर्स हैं, प्रिंसिपल्स हैं, और श्रीनिवास साहब जो दिल्ली से आए हैं, और आपकी जो नसीहत दी है, मुझे लगता है कि आप अगर उसको फॉलो करेंगे तो आगे चल के आपको इसका फ़ायदा ज़रूर मिलेगा। As it is said, it is one of the noblest profession, a profession of medicine, this profession is different from any other profession. The patients keep you in a very high pedestal. कहते हैं ना कि ऊपर जो ऊपर वाला है भगवान है, ईश्वर है, अल्लाह है, और नीचे हमारे लिए डॉक्टर्स हैं। तो आप सोच सकिए how much expectations they have. The very mere presence of the doctor, even before you give the treatment, your presence itself brings the solace to the patient. And one more thing I will say, though we are the 16th rank, the medical college is in the 16th rank, 2020. But you are different from other medicos in the sense that you are not just, I always repeat this, you are not just the student of Jawaharlal Medical College, you are also the student of Aligarh Muslim University, which has the 8th rank in the NIRS ranking. University is much more than just the medical college. Medical college is part of one university. You belong to a central university with a legacy of 104 years. So that is how you are different from any other medical colleges. When you are a student of this great university, this great prestigious university, You are different from others in the sense that you are a part of a university where you interact with students from all the states of the country, from many international students they are there. You interact with them, you live with them, you eat with them. That means that makes you all the more rich in your adjustment, in your culture. When you come from different culture, from different parts of the country, at the same time when you come to Aligarh, it is mini India. As the Prime Minister said, Aligarh Muslim University is mini India. So you are here as part of mini India. That means you enrich yourself with different culture, with different composite culture. You enrich yourself with the pluralistic society. You live with the students of different disciplines, not only of medical college, different discipline. You interact with the students of engineering college, you interact with the students of management faculty, you interact with other students of science faculty, life science faculty. So you can imagine that you are enriching yourself to a greater extent, and this milestone in your career is going to be a great influence on your personality. This is going to have a great impact on your personality. You all are few chosen ones, lucky ones, that you are selected and admitted in JN Medical College, which is equipped with all modern infrastructure, with great faculty members who are always there to help you, who are always there to train you, who are always there even for your professional, not for your professional help, but they are famous for their personal help that they extend to their students. So you are a part of the great college, and I have my blessings to you and some advice to you that because of your profession, you are different from others, so you have your commitment to the profession, you have to have your dedication to your profession, you have to have patience for your patients. You have to be very patient for your patients. I know you are going to have many challenges, you will have many stressful life events during your career, because medical profession is not very easy. You are going to face many stresses, but that does not mean that you will not overcome it. You will overcome the challenges. At the same time, please understand, when the patients come to you, when their attendants come to you for their treatment, they are also under tremendous stress. Please understand, try to understand their psychology also and keep cool. That is very important for the profession in which you are. I once again congratulate the faculties of JN Medical College, the students that you are, your parents, and of course the principal and the senior teachers and the dean, all of you. I congratulate and wish all the students a great success in their life. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your kind and inspiring words. I would request respected Dean, ma'am, to felicitate Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Naima Khatun, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Dear guests, events like this don't happen overnight. It requires teamwork and several days of planning for execution of this white coat ceremony. I would now request Member Medical Education Unit, Dr. Ruhi Khan, to kindly propose the vote of thanks.
First and foremost, on behalf of the Medical Education Unit and the entire JNMC fraternity, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to our Dean, Professor Veena Maheshwari ma'am, for her tireless efforts and support that she provides to all of us whenever needed. I also extend my sincere thanks to our guest of honor, Dr. B. Srinivas sir, for sharing his valuable insights and inspiring us with his experiences. Sir, your words have provided our students with a sense of purpose and motivation as they embark on this challenging path. It's my privilege to thank our Honorable Vice Chancellor and Chief Guest for today, Professor Naima Khatun ma'am, for gracing us with her presence and sharing her insightful thoughts. Under your visionary leadership, our institution has reached new heights, and we are sincerely grateful for your continued guidance and encouragement in all our endeavors. Lastly, a big thanks to all the faculty members for their active participation in the event, and to the entire technical team behind the scenes, including the PRO team, the Dean Office staff, especially Mr. Kashif and Mr. Anwar Adil, and the audiovisual section for making sure that everything ran smoothly and flawlessly. Once again, thank you all.
Thank you so much, Dr. Rohi, for that heartwarming vote of thanks. Dear guests, our university anthem, the AMU Tarana, is a beautiful reflection of our culture. It is the heart and soul of Aligarh Muslim University, and the most cheering and uplifting college song you will ever come across. And I request you all to enjoy the University Tarana, which will be followed by the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन